thematic reflective presentation. Confused with this word? Don't know what is the meaning of this word. All the NID students who have cleared the first round prelims has got the mail just 2 days back from NID which says that next week sometime they will get an email stating that you need to upload the 2 questions, and I'm going to read for you so that it won't be any confusion. So you have to upload those 2 questions, and those 2 questions are this is the assignment of these 2 questions. And the first question is an interesting story of failure in your life and learning from it, right? And the second question is a memorable journey you have had and why was it memorable. So they asked you to upload these either of the question in the you have to choose either of the question and you have to upload in the link, right, in the coming week. So in the coming by the next week. So next week it can be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, it can be any day. So you have to choose your topic and you have to upload it. Now the question is you have to upload and you have to do your presentation in thematic reflective presentation you have to do. So all the students are confused what is this thematic means. Okay, so here I am going to solve your questions, I am going to solve your queries, your doubts, so that there won't be any confusion and you will get to know that what needs to be done. Quickly give my introduction. This is Pooja Jain and I am giving coaching for NIFT, NID and NATA. I am from Vinayak Royal Coaching Institute and giving coaching for NIFT, NATA, NID for the past 15 years. So here today I am going to solve you because all my students are very much worried and they just keep on calling and asking, ma'am, what is the meaning of this thematic. So you don't have to worry about, because this is just the tricky questions. You know everything, you are already prepared and you are already ready for this. Only thing is, because of this pandemic, they have changed the pattern. Very first time they are going to take the online classes, online test for NIFT mains, and they have changed the pattern. And whatever the prelims, the weightage of the prelims, earlier it was 30% and the mains weightage was the 70%, but now first time they have changed completely. Now you should feel good that the first round which you have already cleared, the weightage of that has they have converted to 70%, and now this mains which is going to be next week is just 30%, but this 30% you have to score you have to take it very seriously and you have to do. So now quickly I am just going to explain the meaning of this thematic word. It means that whatever the topic you choose, you have to analyze is, because what they have given the 2 questions, you have to choose in either of the one, and whatever the topic you decide to do, you have to choose in you have to analyze that, you have to interpret that, and after that you have to present it in a very innovative and creative way. Now what you have to do, how you have to make it innovative, because here I gave you the example, like suppose you choose the first topic which can be the failure of life, and you have to learn from it. So now here I can give you some examples, like you can choose lost a match, or you can choose the topic accident, or it can be you wrote an exam and you did not get through it. So it can be anything. You have to choose it and you have to show it in a very interesting way. Most important thing, you have to keep it in mind that the beginning of that and the ending of that should be very it has to be you should justify that. You have to make it interesting, and the beginning and ending should be proper, and in between the examiner wants to know what you have, how did it impact in your life and what you learned from that. So for first topic you have to do like that. And for the second topic, if you choose the second topic, that is memorable journey, and you have to you have had, and why was it memorable. So I can give you some example for this also, like you can choose achievement of some award which can be memorable, or you can choose the travel or any trip with your friends, or it can be the October movie of Varun Dhawan. You all might have seen the movie October movie. So these are few examples of the memorable journey which you can choose, and you have to present it in an innovative way. Okay, only thing is, in this time examiner wants to see it in a platter, you can say like that, because platter means how you have to put it. You have to take everything, you have to present it on the A3 size sheet. Okay, you have to show it in the A3 size, and how you will show it, this also I can make it clear. Then you have, it can be storyline, it can be the experience of your hostel life, it can, I mean it can be 5 years or 3 years or 10 years, anything, or it can be shown in a storyline, it can be abstract or photographs or collage, anything you can choose. Only thing is, this time invigilator wants to see this on the A3 size, and everything should be on one sheet. There won't be the different pages of your, I mean there won't be the any different pages, everything will be on one sheet, and you have to start it and end it very innovative way. So I hope you must have cleared the doubts, like what is the thematic reflective presentation. Now I am going to clear the second part also, which is uploading, how you have to upload that. The uploading part, you can scan it, or you can just you can click it and just upload it. But both the images, I mean both the topics, both the images, the file of the size of the file should not be more than 10 MB. It should be 10 MB and it should be on A3 size, and you have to scan it and you can upload it. Fine. So this is the question. You don't have to be confused. These are just the tricky questions, and you have to just show your personal experience, which is not, no need to be very, I mean, because you know what you have to show. So nobody was there, no one was there to check you whether it was true or not. So you are going to explain. So it is your mind and your thinking how you have to explain it and how you have to make it interesting till the end, and your experiences you have to share in one sheet, on one sheet. Got it? So this is it. And regarding the portfolio, this time the examiner, they don't want to see your same kind of sketching and shading and painting of same thing. No, you have to make it digitalize, and you have to make it, if different themes are there, suppose the composition, the graphic designer, the photography or interior designer, and different topics you have to, so you can show the different topics in your portfolio. You just click it and you have to make a digital portfolio and you can upload it. So make the portfolio interesting, don't repeat the sketching and shading, because there won't be any I mean they don't want to see the repeat images. Okay, so this way you have to make your portfolio interesting with the different ideas, and that's it. So I hope your doubts must be cleared, and still if you have any doubts, you guys can call me, you guys can WhatsApp me, or you can visit my Instagram page, that is Vinak Royal NIFT NID and NATA. This is the address, this is the, I mean you can follow up on my Instagram, and you can ask your queries. And I am going to start the online classes for 2021 batch also for NIFT, NATA and NID. So if you guys want to join for 2021, you can always call me or WhatsApp me. And very soon I am going to upload the video for NATA students, because for NATA and BIA paper second also the dates have come. It can be any time in July, and for NATA it will be on 1st of August and 29th I think. So very soon I am going to clear the NATA student doubt as well as NIFT situation test doubt also, because I think for because of this pandemic, all the patterns are going to be changed, because students have to give online exam this time. But let's see what's going to be happen. So see you next time. Till then, bye bye.